To log into the customer portal, it'll either send you directly when you go to the website, it'll either go directly to the login page, or if it is a full-fledged website, they'll either have it on a menu or they might actually make you type it in. For us, we have it under support, under customer portal. When you click that, you'll get the login screen. For us, magically, everything is automatically filled in for us. For us, we have an account code, which you may or may not have depending on your business's needs. Most will have an account code. You'll have an email address, and you will have a password. Once that's typed in, you'll just click on Login to Portal. If the information is valid, you'll automatically be sent to the login, to the portal dashboard. And that's all there is to it.